Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon and eggs. First, gather your ingredients. About 6 slices of your favorite bacon and 2 large eggs. You'll also need a good non-stick pan. Lay the bacon slices in the cold pan, ensuring they don't overlap. Turn the heat to medium and let the bacon start to sizzle, flipping it every few minutes for even cooking. As your bacon cooks, watch for that perfect crispiness, usually around 8 to 12 minutes. Once done, remove it to a paper towel-lined plate to drain. Carefully pour most hot bacon fat into a heat-safe container, leaving about 1 tablespoon in the pan. Now, crack your 2 eggs into a small bowl and season them with a pinch of salt and pepper. With your pan still on medium-low heat, let the remaining bacon fat get nice and shimmering. This indicates it's ready for the eggs. Carefully pour your seasoned eggs into the pan. For perfectly runny yolks, cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply cook them for a bit longer until they reach your desired consistency. Once your eggs are cooked just how you like them, carefully slide them onto a plate alongside your crispy bacon. Feel free to add a sprinkle of fresh chives or a dash of your favorite hot sauce for an extra kick. And hey, while you're enjoying this delicious meal, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.